Welcome to the world of giant woodcutters. Witness the jaw-dropping power and speed of advanced machines transforming forestry. Get ready to be amazed. Let's dive in. Let's witness the incredible power of forestry tractors like the Valtra, John Deere 1110D, and Timberjack 810B, operating in wet, muddy conditions with water running in large ruts. Despite their old, rusted appearance, these machines showcase undeniable engine strength. Which forestry tractor are you a fan of? Let us know your thoughts. Watching the monster log sawmill in action is a mesmerizing blend of raw power and beauty. This is the most stunning piece of wood I've ever seen, with its inner beauty truly shining through. A couple of those slabs would make a gorgeous table. However, I couldn't help but notice that the workers lacked proper protective gear. Safety glasses are not expensive these days. This setup clearly isn't in the US, where our saw operators work from high-tech booths with lasers, HVAC, and remote joystick controls. It's shocking to see workers handling slabs by hand without proper safety measures. Man, that video took me back. That log pond is a smart move. Keeps the wood in prime condition and the bugs at bay. This is what real lumber is made of. The smell of fresh-cut wood, the rumble of the steam engine, the sight of those massive logs hitting the saw. It's a symphony of old-school craftsmanship. Hull Oaks is a living museum, a testament to a bygone era of lumber production. It's amazing to see a mill like this still operating, and those guys clearly know their stuff. It's a step back in time, a place where skilled workers transform massive logs into beautiful lumber, using techniques that have been passed down through generations.
Okay, great.
Witnessing this moment is jaw-dropping. This tree is 60 feet long. It's crazy, but I believe Hull Oaks Lumber Mill out in Dawson, Oregon, handles logs like this. I had no idea anyone milled logs that long. The guy grabbing them with his hands is a real badass. He probably weighed 100 pounds when he started. That slab at the end must weigh 5 tons. Seriously though, this is one hell of an operation. Next time I need 60-foot, 5-ton slabs of Douglas fir, you guys are my go-to. Watching those massive logs getting stacked in Northwest Oregon is impressive. Transporting cedar wood on a logging truck is no easy feat, but with expert shovel skills, they're loading those big logs efficiently. Yoda behind the controls gets it done. As the long logging truck moves, snow starts falling again at an elevation of 1,500 feet, adding to the dramatic scene. Imagine a towering dead tree, its brittle branches a hazard waiting to happen. Enter the Bandit 1990 XP, a machine with a mission. Its powerful jaws clamp down on the trunk, and the chipper's teeth begin to spin. In a whirlwind of wood chips, the tree disappears, leaving behind a clean, safe work site. This isn't just a chipper, it's a protector, a guardian of both the environment and the people who work in it. Ever wondered how hardwood lumber is made? Take a tour of a modern U.S. sawmill. In a typical sawmill, 15 to 25 dedicated workers produce 5 to 8 million feet of lumber annually. Every day, log trucks roll in to be unloaded, sorted, and measured. The loader operator, always on the move, keeps the debarker in-feed full and ensures a steady flow into the mill. The debarking station, the first step, strips logs of bark, which contains dirt and grit. After debarking, logs pass through a metal detector. Logs with metal are set aside to prevent saw blade damage. The removed bark is ground up and sold as landscaping material. The precision and teamwork here are nothing short of amazing. It's clear that when cutting down trees, this lumberjack should have cleared away potential falling obstacles. Luckily, that ladder didn't come crashing down on his head. Talk about a forestry dream team. This Lesnaprace crew is rocking it with the Highlander HL21, Komatsu 875, and Equus 175. That Highlander is a beast on slopes with its crazy 272 kN pulling force and self-leveling system. The Komatsu's got the muscle for hauling massive loads, and the Equus is nimble and quick for those tight spots. This trio is a force to be reckoned with in the woods, a team of machines and operators working in perfect harmony to harvest nature's bounty. Picture a mountain of firewood, a daunting task for any splitter. But with the Timberwolf Alpha 6, that mountain becomes a molehill. The machine's hydraulics hum with power as the box wedge effortlessly cleaves through log after log. The operator, a seasoned pro, barely breaks a sweat as the wood pile grows steadily smaller. This isn't just a splitter, it's a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless spirit of American craftsmanship.
Und jetzt werden wir noch beschneiden. Perfekt.
That lumberjack made quick work of those logs with that MS-462. But check out the real star of the show, the John Deere 1270G with the H415 head. This machine is a beast. I've run one myself, and that 8-wheel drive system is a game changer on rough terrain. It's stable, powerful, and the H415 head is a workhorse. This combo is a dream for any logger looking to boost productivity.
Reife, so ist das nicht so. Jetzt schon, Vierer.
This is the future of sustainable logging. Witnessing those majestic horses working in harmony with the Palm's grapple loader is truly inspiring. Not only is it a low-impact, eco-friendly approach, but it's also incredibly efficient. The grapple loader's power pack and log trailer combo make light work of heavy logs, while the horses provide the muscle and maneuverability. This is a testament to how traditional methods and modern technology can work together for a greener future. Wow! Watching videos of excavators effortlessly removing massive tree stumps always captivates viewers, like witnessing magic unfold before our eyes. Their effectiveness and powerful operation are simply mesmerizing. Well, just imagine the sheer size and weight of this colossal log. Using a Komatsu WA452LL wheel loader to lift it onto the log truck was a daring and challenging feat with a hint of danger. Yet, they managed to pull it off successfully in the end. The Nizla 555C, Volvo 145, and Flex 14 combo is a testament to engineering excellence. The 555C head's cutting and delimbing precision is top-notch, while the Volvo 145's hydraulic system is smooth and responsive. But it's the Flex 14 undercarriage that really sets this machine apart. The low ground pressure and exceptional traction make it a beast on any terrain. This is a system that's built to perform, no matter the challenge. That NOE 176R is a beast. This forestry company's put it through its paces with 6,000 hours on the clock, and it's still tackling thick hardwood like a champ. The Epsilon X120 F102 crane, with a 10.2-meter reach and that 1.7 Me-Too clamping bench, are perfect for handling those hefty logs. Plus, with 193 horsepower and dual 16-ton winches, this thing is a powerhouse. I'm digging the French equipment package too. Makes it even more rugged for those tough jobs. It's clear this machine is built to last and can handle just about anything you throw at it in the woods. Amidst the cold and snow-covered ground, the new Valtra A124 forestry tractor is a game-changer in forestry equipment. Designed with versatility and durability in mind, the A124 meets the rigorous demands of forestry operations. Its powerful engine delivers impressive torque and horsepower, handling heavy loads and challenging terrain with ease. The robust build ensures it can withstand the harsh conditions of the forest, from dense underbrush to uneven ground. So, between Valtra and MTZ, which one reigns supreme in tough conditions? The A124 sure makes a strong case. Wow. Watching the Box Wedge Hickory Series woodlog splitter in action is truly impressive. This beast features a 42-ton cylinder and a 48 GPM hydraulic system. With that immense power and the 6-way box wedge system, it tears through massive 20 to 30 rounds effortlessly. Seeing this machine work so efficiently is like witnessing a master craftsman at work. This Rotney H8 is a real gem for thinning. I've run a few harvesters in my time, and this one's a nimble little beast. It's got the power to tackle decent-sized trees, but it's compact enough to weave through tight stands without damaging the remaining timber. The cab is surprisingly spacious and comfortable too, which is a big plus when you're spending long hours in the woods. If you're looking for a harvester that's both efficient and easy on the forest, this is it. Witness the power of the Bandit Model 19XP wood chipper. This machine, with its 19 log capacity and hydraulic winch, effortlessly processes a 300 kilos Australian tree. The 19XP's wide chipper opening and powerful feed system handle even the toughest pieces with ease. This rugged, efficient machine is a game changer for any forestry operation. Man, that red oak is a beauty. Glad the rain finally let up so you could get to work on it. That HM 130 Max is a real workhorse, handling that monster log like a champ. I've been eyeing one of these myself, and seeing it tackle a project like this is making me want to pull the trigger. Stair treads or flooring? Tough choice, but either way, that red oak is going to look stunning. Can't wait to see what other projects you come up with. In the misty coastal forests of British Columbia, the Kenworth 850 off-highway logging truck, powered by a Detroit Series 60 engine, hauled a massive load of logs to the beach. Its striking resemblance to the legendary Pacific P-16 sparked nostalgia and admiration, making onlookers wonder, did Kenworth take over Pacific? This modern-day workhorse handled the rugged terrain with awe-inspiring ease. Oh my, watching the Valtra forestry tractor struggle in the wet conditions was something else. That wheel bearing seemed like it had been broken for ages. In the end, the driver had no choice but to abandon the entire load of logs. It was a dramatic and tense moment, showcasing the relentless challenges faced in forestry. Witness some of the most impressive scenes of log trucks in New Zealand. It's fascinating to see EU and US trucks working side by side, one of the few places on Earth where this happens. Those are some powerful logging machines down there. The variety of trucks and the stunning scenery make for a captivating watch. As someone from Western Canada who used to build logging trucks, it's interesting to see the difference. While we often haul really long logs, it looks like New Zealand typically handles shorter or medium-length logs. Always a pleasure to see logging in action around the world. Incredibly impressive. Are you like me, absolutely captivated by the logo on this Kenworth 187 log truck? It's like the Rolls-Royce emblem of logging trucks. And that sharp turn, wow, it's equally mesmerizing. This Equus 175N is a game changer for small logging operations. It's like a Swiss Army knife for the woods, powerful, versatile, and easy to handle. That Cummins B45 engine is a beast, pulling heavy loads with ease, and the hydraulics are so smooth, it's almost like second nature to operate. Sure, it might not be the right fit for a massive logging company, but for a one-man show, it's the perfect tool to get the job done. The Valtra N154E active harvester, paired with the Palfinger C60F86 crane and Nisula 325H harvester head, epitomizes advanced engineering and precision forestry technology. Built by Nisula Forest Oy, this powerful combo is crafted to enhance efficiency, reliability, and operator comfort in forestry operations. Wow! Just after a few showers, the log trucks couldn't make it up the little hill and had to call in the skidders for help. It's amazing to see logging operations without chains on the skidders. Around here, with our mud, rocks, snow, ice, and hills, we run chains year-round. Many times, even in summer, you can't get a skidder off the landing without chains. The Caterpillar 527 skidder, still hauling tree lengths to the landing, embodies resilience in forestry. Once a favorite from 1998 to 2008, it now faces new arrivals with superior technology and capacity. Yet, its tracked grapple design remains a stalwart, navigating tough terrain with precision and strength. Built to endure, it grips logs securely, ensuring efficient operations and reliability amidst the rugged challenges of forestry work. Oh my God, when it comes to skill, this driver is truly a master. Watching that fully loaded logging truck cross a small bridge is nothing short of breathtaking. The combination of the Valtra 8350 tractor, Palm's 12D2 WD forestry trailer, and Palm's 840 crane is a powerful and efficient solution for loading and unloading logs in forestry operations. This setup offers a blend of power, precision, and durability, making it an excellent choice for forestry professionals seeking to enhance their productivity and operational efficiency. Picture a sun-dappled forest in southern Sweden. The Profi 54 harvester, a towering machine with a powerful engine, stands ready for action. Its Kessler 25 RH2 crane, a graceful extension of its arm, reaches out to grasp a tree. With a swift, precise motion, the harvester head cuts and delimbs the tree, leaving behind a healthy forest and a valuable resource. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe for more thrilling content. Until next time, stay adventurous.